Cecil County say they've broken up a pit bull fighting operation, but the man who owns the home where the dogs were found says it's all a mistake and police have seized his pets for nothing. ABC 2's Christian Schaefer is just back from Cecil County with more on that story.
Yeah, Kelly, the raid at the home just outside Elkton happened this past Thursday. The owner of the home and those dogs has not been arrested, but his dogs have been taken, and he's not happy about it. Investigators suspected that marijuana plants were growing behind this home in the 300 block of Red Hill Road. When they raided the home, they found 11 pit bulls in the backyard and more.
Performance-enhancing drugs, treadmills, IVs and catheters. We also seized even a video that contained dog fights on it.
Police did not say where they believe that video was shot. The owner of the home and the dogs did not want to speak on camera, but he says the dogs were in good condition, and in pictures he showed to ABC 2 News, they don't appear to have any injuries. He says he's not running a dog fighting operation. A tour of the backyard revealed several small dog houses, but no feces or other signs of squalid conditions. The owner admitted he had treadmills for the dogs, but he says they were used to keep them in shape for shows. He says he used to breed and sell the pit bulls, but now he keeps them as pets. He says he hasn't sold a dog in several years, but investigators say their evidence is compelling.
With the numerous performance-enhancing drugs that we found there, the treadmills, it definitely appeared that these dogs were being trained to fight.
The owner is also upset that police broke down his door and ransacked his home during the raid. He says he was at home earlier and they could have knocked. He admits there were marijuana plants growing in his backyard, but he says he didn't plant them. He says he should have just cut them down. Police say they found more than 100 plants. The homeowner says there's no way there could have been that many.
They counted when they had them, and it was 106. They all weren't full grown. Some of them were still in a smaller grow process.
A .45 caliber handgun was also seized from the home. The owner says it is legally registered in his name. He's still not been charged with anything at this point. The investigation is still going on tonight. The dogs are being kept by the Cecil County SPCA. Christian Schaefer, ABC 2 News.